my new video showing you how to make the ultimate flapping bird. Let's start. For that we need a square paper. First fold into a triangle. And fold here. Next fold into another triangle. But this one will be back. Then take the pocket and make it a diamond shape. Then fold here to here and repeat the same. Fold backwards, same as here, and rotate and do the same. Then fold this one down, place it sharply, same as here too. Then unfold this the hole. Then here's the crease, so open here, you got like this one, and fold it to give it like this, like earlier. Then fold it back. Do the same here too. Do the same here. Here too. And close it. Then turn this one. Here same too. Then and flip it back. Hold it like this. So you get its tail. Then fold back and do the same here to get its head. Then make the head, fold this one down. Fold this up. Now make it line here. Then fold this back. This one back too. Then fold here till half. it like this and do the same here. Then open here and fold it like this. Then if you want to flap it means hold this head and its tail. And our ultimate flapping bird is done. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up and comment down below.